Alright, we are back unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. It definitely looks more pro, well, at least the top part here. This is the Creator Combo, and yeah, we're going to unbox this thing and see what it's like. Here on the back you can see some of the specs, including dual cameras. You get cinematic shot near and far, and also tracking, built-in storage, 4K, 240 frames per second, new D-Log at 2, light and shadow precision, and alright, let's just go ahead and do this. So, alright, so in the box you got your DJI stickers and some information. Looks like a bag as well. Two different bags. One probably more of just like a streamlined little bag for your camera. Nice quality. And then you have this one here. There it is. Osmo. And it's definitely jam-packed. Take all of these out and take them all out of the plastic and see what we get in this kit. Very nice inside here. Is that everything? Yeah. Okay. Well, here is the Pocket 4 Pro right here. I guess they don't really call it Pro, do they? Just call it P. I feel like P stands for Pro. That's what I would assume. But look at that. So here it is. Screen here, about the same as the other ones. And then you have, looks like you could take this off maybe. We'll get to that later. So you have a 3x zoom and a 1-inch sensor there, so turn it on, and yeah, you have the magnetic back here. We're not going to set this up on this video, but just want to have a quick look at how it works. So yeah, the Pocket 4P, and looks like we have a little tripod here that will go with it, but we have to also connect it to this one here. So there's the tripod, little legs, just like the other ones. And yeah, this is what would go at the bottom here, so you can use it that way. Clips on. They also include a little remote, which is very cool. I've not seen this before. So I wonder if it works right off the bat. I don't even know how to turn this thing on. Maybe you have to connect it to it, but it's a wireless screen. Pretty cool. So we have to set that up with it, figure out how to get the proper language as well. That's cool. I don't know where that goes onto, but I assume there's going to be other accessories with this. So we'll go ahead to this one here. This is the light that you'd see on the Pocket 4, so it actually connects on. And then, yeah, you can adjust it, brightness and all that stuff. And we have this right here. So you got a wide angle zoom. So I think this comes off just like that. And then you can throw this one on. To do it backwards maybe. Put up clips on here. So yeah, this is a little wide angle one if you want that instead. you can. So it's not quite magnetic. It is a little bit, but not quite. It's like, looks like it just pops down like that, so you can kind of see how it sets in. It's not super easy, but we'll get there. So there's like almost at an angle. There you go, and twist it. All right, easy. Okay, moving on. We have cable for data and charging. Looks like we have another one as well. This is going to charge that remote. Tell. So it'll charge kind of like that. Something like that, maybe? How in the world does that work? It's always fun to figure this out as you go. Oh, there we go, just like that. Plugged in. Charging. We also have the DJI mic. I want to say this is the 3. Looks like you have a clip and a magnet as well. So this is all part of the creator combo. So you have your magnet there, and then you also have a clip. It says internal recording, and will connect directly to the Pocket 4P wind muff as well, and a black wind muff. So if you have a black shirt on, that might look better. And last but not least, in this bag, what do we have here? All right, this is a charger for the microphone, just like that. And looks like we have a lanyard, like a wrist strap for the remote, and a wrist strap for the Pocket 4P, which would go about right there. So that's everything unboxed, and a lot of little packaging plastic things, but it is what it is. But that's it. That's the unboxing experience. There'll be a full video coming up on my main channel, so stay tuned for that and enjoy